today, Saturday, I am meeting up with my good friend Kenneth Charles, who owns Kenneth Charles Garden Rooms in Motherwell. You will see the fantastic garden rooms that he does sell, but right now I'm going to accompany him. We're going out to do a survey for a potential client that he's got in Glasgow. What's Kenneth?
Let's get this job done today.
We're going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful.
I've seen kitchen sizes, and we've got to see one that's just been completed, so you'll see something nice.
So continue watching and you will see the process of the garden rooms. So right now we're heading down to the yard to get some stuff whilst Kenneth gets prepared for his survey. So we've just arrived down at Kenny's design studio in Motherwell, Albert Street, and this is it here. And in the sort of showroom area of his studio, you'll see some fantastic garden rooms on display. How good would it be to have one of them in your back garden to use as an office or a home gym or even a work studio? It would be fantastic. So we're going to take a look in the workshop and you can see what's So this is where clients come and they will consult with Kenny in terms of the design for the garden rooms. So Kenny, just tell YouTube audience exactly what gets done in here.
This is where we do the deals. So we do the designs, we have a look at the garden rooms, and then we come up here and we negotiate prices and strategies and plans of action.
Okay. And what sort of, do you use any sort of, you've got the TV in the wall, is that getting used for anything or?
Yeah, that's, we can put all the plans and designs on that once we do the garden. So for watching the news.
Yeah, perfect. So you can see, absolutely professional outfit. They've got everything from start to finish. No one has to worry about materials or anything getting damaged, left overnight and covered. Everything gets done from here in the shop, in the workshop, to an extremely high standard until it gets delivered and built by Kenny and his team of professional joiners, electricians, plasterers, you name it. Okay. So Kenny is just going to explain the makeup of the garden rooms that he's got in display down at his workshop on Albert Street in Motherwell. Take it away, Kenny.
Hi, this is one of our cabins. We use a beautiful modern footed composite on the front, 50-year guarantee, no maintenance. These are aluminium bifolding doors, which is an option. Lots of different options. So a nice tailored day in your garden room, doors wide open, enjoy the outside and inside.
And what about the decking and stuff?
Yeah, that comes standard, bit of composite decking on the front. Step up into the garden room, makes it, just finishes everything off nice and neat.
And what about the roof?
One piece rubber roof, 50-year guarantee, no joins, and it's perfect.
So there you go, the fantastic one-piece rubber roof, 50-year guarantee. You're not going to get any better than that. Plus you've got high standard garden rooms to actually come and see down at the workshop in Albert Street. Now what about this one here, Kenny?
This one's a wee bit different design. This has got cedar cladding on the front, like more of an overhang, and this is a sliding door we've put on this one. This one's designed more like an office because there's a lot of people working from home now, and this is a perfect place rather than working in your bedroom or your kitchen table. An escape to go do your work in a nice tranquil space at the bottom of your yard. Beautiful.
So if you're looking for that garden room, if you're thinking about it, get in touch with Kenneth Charles. Kenneth Charles, based in Motherwell, and he will certainly come and explain the whole process very professionally and give you all the information that you need prior to making that decision before you do buy the garden rooms.